Sorry, I flipped it around. I didn't mean to. How are y'all doing? Hope you're having a good weekend. I wanted to show y'all my beds. They're not 100% completed yet because I still can't get those cattle panels there. But I wanted to show you the beds. Here's the first one, and there are the other two, and then those are the posts. So let me show you. See this post and that post? That's gonna have the arch that goes over there, and then I still need one more post to go there, so it'll arch here as well. And then this is, I didn't make this bed as long as I was going to. I decided not to, but there's gonna be a wire mesh that goes along the back for tomatoes to grow up on that bed. And then back here I've got one more, and then you can already see the pole lying on the ground, and I've got one kind of in the ground there, but that's the other bed. And then the poles are going to go right along here, and it's going to create a barrier so that those at the back, the white sticks you see, are lettuce, different kinds of lettuce. And I have that there so that when the tomatoes start growing, it'll protect the lettuce because it doesn't like a lot of sun. So that way I'll have hopefully a chance to get some lettuce. And I don't do big heads of lettuce. I like to do baby greens. So that's the plan, is just to keep putting lettuce there, letting them get about this high, and then chopping them off and eating them in a salad. So anyways, in fact, I already have some. This area is a little rough. I haven't moved these pots around, and that was what I was carrying things in, and it rained, and so now it's disgusting. And I haven't planted any of these plants that I got. And I had an idea to put, a friend of mine was doing this, so I brought these outside. I purposely bought these to fill with with soil, and plant little flowers in there. And I don't know if I'll actually ever get to it, but anyways, right here I can show y'all my baby greens that are growing. And this is about the size that I'm gonna pick them. And then I'll just keep plucking them at about this size and have baby green salads. But obviously that's not enough for a salad. I just wanted to see how well it would grow in a container like this.